Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today I'm gonna show you how to do a michelada. Sorry I was gone for so long, but I'm back. So let's get this started. Basically what you're gonna need, of course, the beer that you like, that you prefer, whatever you like best. You're gonna need some tajin. This you can get it at the fruit aisle or vegetable aisle. You're also gonna need some clamato. You're gonna need tapatio. You're also gonna need Maggi dressing, chamoy. You need some olives. Sorry, the bottle is all full of salt. You're gonna need, of course, some lemon. I also have some pre-cut cucumbers, some celery, and that's basically it. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna do the rim of the michelada. I already have the chamoy in a little plate, so you're gonna get it all around, like so. Then I have some tajin with salt. There we go. So now I'm just gonna squeeze about 3 halves of lemon. Now I'm just gonna add about 1 ounce, no, about 2 ounces. 2 ounces of clamato. A little bit of Maggi sauce. Three pumps of tapatio. Tajin. Salt. I cannot find it. No, it's okay. The olives. Let me show you. And I also have this saladito, so it's basically salty prunes. So let me show you. Salty prunes. And they look like this. They give so much flavor to the michelada. So I'm just gonna add 1 of those. Se me olvidó el destapador. I have one there. And then the straw. Ricky. So damn annoying, bro. And a little umbrella just to garnish. And that's it. That's how you make a delicious michelada. Wow. Enjoy. And enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this short video. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, and also turn on the notification bell for more upcoming videos. Have a blessed day. Bye.